How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Just going to do a very quick bit of coverage on Rose, the Oasis network token, and it's quite a new one. I think it dates back to about November 2020. So yeah, we're sort of looking at about 14 months of movement. Now, I got this one as advice from a trusted source. And I put an embarrassingly small amount in this, and this is actually the only token that I've got within that account, because all my money was tied up, and dare I say, once I'd put a small investment in it, I just kind of forgot about it until until I had a phone call earlier today about it, and yeah, so I got in at I got in at 6p or 6 cents, if you will, and we've now just made an all-time high of 60, which is a 10x. And we can look for these for weeks and weeks, and quite often we don't have the patience to hold. Now, what I can say is that I've had this thing for quite a long time now. The trading volume just keeps going up and up, and the market cap's currently sitting at 1.7 billion. Does it have room to grow? I'd say yeah. I'd say it's probably a 5 or 6x left in it. But I will be watching, because obviously after a move like this, I mean, just from day one to now, it's 1900% up, which is absolutely incredible. And if you watch the pattern on how this thing has moved, it's really behaving. It's paying attention to the Fibonacci support resistance levels, and as such you can chart it really well. It's behaving as you'd expect a trusted token to behave. I do expect probably on the next video I make of Rose, I'll have to run a new fib, because we're going to keep breaking and moving higher and higher. So what to look for now is a back test at circa the 46 cent range, maybe even wick down to 39, before we have another shot up at the all-time high. It could just go from here, fly up, make an all-time high, back test, possibly break lower, and then go again. I'm going to leave that red because I don't think that plays out. So what to look for now is we'll slightly tail off back down to 38, reconfirm some support, slight consolidation, possibly above, before we make a really big leg higher. Now I'm going to mark that green, because I do expect that to play out. Now this is the weekly chart, so I just wanted to show you essentially how new the token is and how it's behaved. It has swung into each trade it's done. Now obviously here is slightly interesting price action, because we've made a new all-time high, and we have had a period of sell-off which brought us back to our near enough our starting point, but that was a higher low, sorry, and then we had a good period of consolidation, and we swung in and made a huge all-time high. So from 25 cents we shot up next time around to 36, which is a big deal. It's a huge increase for a small token. This possibly could have been around the time that Meta was announced, where Facebook changed to Meta, and also there was an announcement that the Oasis network is connected to and partnering with Facebook for some of their Metaverse work. So yeah, expect this momentum to continue. I don't know how high this one could go, but I know that this will not be the top. So yeah, this is I'm embarrassed to say I've not covered this one before on the channel, although I've held it. How long have I held it for? Yeah, 9 months. Yeah. So right, we'll move on to the hourly and see what's going on, and we could possibly be looking. No, that's a higher low. We could be actually looking at making a run from here. But we'll have to just keep an eye, and I'll come back to you tomorrow on it. It does look like we've made a higher low over the last 4 days. So yeah, maybe the onward momentum carries from here if we don't follow suit and have a slight drawback down to the 30 cent range, 39 cent range. So if everyone who's in, please do like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to keep covering Rose. It is one that I've essentially put in a bag, put a lock on the door. It's hidden away. I'll probably come back to it in a year if we don't have a lot of interest on this one. So do let me know. You know, I will cover the tokens that my subscribers are interested in. I'm long-term bullish on this token. I've been in since early, like I said, but with an embarrassingly small investment, and those are the ones that often lift off. So yeah, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.